Hello friends, welcome to Passcoder 21 free medical coding YouTube channel. Today we are going to see nearly 45 jobs which are from UAE, USA and India. If you are staying in India, don't apply for jobs which are located in UAE and US. First we will check this one, urgent hiring medical coder. They have provided their email here, you can apply. So next one is Cherokee Health. So they are looking for medical coder OP senior always here. So they have walk-in on 21st October, so you can contact them using the provided email. So next one is for Karo Health. So they are looking for AR callers, so they can contact them using the provided email ID and mobile number. Next one is Nath Healthcare. So they are looking for senior manager, practice excellence. They have provided their email ID. You can contact them. Next one is Claris. So they are looking for urgent openings for TLs and GCs. So you can apply using the provided email ID. Next one is for Omega. So they are looking for freshers. So trainee IP coder, they have provided their mobile number and email ID. You can contact them using the detail. Next one is for Mahati. So they are looking for HCC coders. Location Habsiguda, Hyderabad. So they have provided their email ID here and mobile number. You can apply using the provided details. Next one is IKH. They are looking for E&M OP and it is for Mumbai location. They have provided their email ID and mobile number. You can apply using the next one is for Avantix. They are looking for AR colors, senior AR colors. So they have provided their email and mobile number here. So next one is for medical coder. So this is for PHRN and medical coder. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using the email ID. Next one is for Caro Health. So they are looking for AR and senior AR colors. They have provided mobile number, email ID here. Next one is Chirag Health. So this is like walk-in. So it is already completed. Exclude this one. Next one is for SEC medical coders. Ejuran. So send your email to this provided email ID. Next one is for AGS Healthcare. They have provided their mobile number. You can apply using that. So next one is for Innova. They are looking for this is walk-in 28th and 21st. They are looking for all systems, all specialty coding. So they have provided their address. You can apply the or you can contact them using the email ID here. So next one is for sequence. They are looking for E&M coder, IVR surgery coder. So they have provided their HR number and mobile number. You can apply using that. Next one for Advantmed. They are looking for team leader medical coding. They have provided their details here. You can contact them using the details. So next one is for Next one is for Innova. They have provided their email and mobile number. You can apply using those details. So next one is for Innova again. So they have conducting walk-ins. So directly you can go to the walk-ins. So next we have HCC auditor dedicated. So this is for USA job. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using the email if you are residing in US. Next one is for Sunny Medical Center. So they are looking for insurance coordinator. They have provided their email ID here. Next one is for nursing position. They have provided their email ID. You can apply. Next one is for all RCM related jobs here. They have provided their email ID. You can apply. Next one is for AMN. This is for US. So if you are in US only, you can apply for this one. So they are provided their email ID. You can apply using that. Next one is for UAE, IP and OP for Osman. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using that. So next one for HCC coders, Medacura Healthcare. They have provided their mobile number. You can contact them using the mobile number. Next one is for administrative positions in UAE. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using the email ID. So next one is for this is for US. So they are looking for health administration instructor. So if you are in US, you can apply for this. So next one is for UAE. So they have provided their email ID, you can apply using that. Next one is for again UAE, so you can apply using the provided details. Sorry, it is not for UAE, it is for Jori, so you can apply using the provided details. Next one is for say hi Emirates, so they have provided their email ID, you can apply using that. So next one is for Optum, they have provided their email ID, you can apply using that. So next one is for resubmission and reconciliation officer, certified coder. So this is for UAE, you can apply using the provided details. Next one is for Dr. Sunny Medical Center, they are looking for insurance coordinator. So they have provided their email ID, you can apply using that. So next one is for medical coder UAE fresher CPC. So you can apply using the provided email ID. So next one is for certified external coder. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using that. Work location Hyderabad. So next one is for Sutherland. So they have provided mobile number and email ID. You can apply using those details. Next one is for IPDRG coders. So location Chennai, work from office. They have provided their email ID. So you can apply using that email ID. Next one is for Omega Healthcare. They have provided their email ID and mobile number. You can contact them using the provided details. Next one is for Equity Solutions. They are looking for all specialties basically. So they have provided their email ID and mobile number. You can contact them using the provided details. So next one is for Pacific Global. So they are looking for AR callers. They have provided email ID and mobile number. You can apply using that. So next one is for Autos. So they are looking for immediate joiners. So 6 months coding experience. So they have provided their mobile number. You can contact them using the mobile number. Next one is for Optum Hyderabad location. They are looking for AR calling. They have provided their email ID. You can contact using those details. Next one is for IKS Health. They are looking for NMOP coders. So they have provided their email ID. You can contact them. Provided details. So next one is for Kalpian INC. They are looking for senior accountants. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using this email ID. Next one is for clientele RCM. They are looking for orthopedic coder. So it is work from home job. So they have provided their email ID and mobile number. You can apply using the details. So this is for Coronis Azuba. So they are looking for multiple specialties. They have provided their email and mobile number. You can contact them using the provided details. So thank you friends. Thanks for visiting Passcoder 21. If you like this session, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Passcoder 21.